How to actually get rid of the horrible fridge smell. Step 1. Cut half an onion and place it on a shelf in your fridge for 4 days. Sounds odd, but onions absorb odors like a sponge. Step 2. Check the condensation drain at the back of your fridge. Often, water drips into a small reservoir outside the fridge. If it gets contaminated with debris, it can start stinking. Cleaning it can stop the smell from coming back. Optional bonus, keep a small tray of baking soda or bamboo charcoal afterwards to maintain freshness. Your fridge and your food will finally stop smelling weird.